So we arrived to a place that we haven't gone to before. It's called Fred Gingell Park. That's in Delta. It's part of Sawasan. And this leads us out to the ocean. See very far away from here, you can see the big container ships. Here they've got a little foot shower. So English Bluff Cable Terminal Site. Well, there's the trail that brings you to the water. This is Delta Port here. All the different islands. You can see here Saturna Island, Salt Spring Island, Galliano, Vancouver Island, Roberts Bank. I don't know who Fred Gingell is. Gingell, as it's pronounced. And this is what we see. That's Delta Port over there. That's where we were yesterday.